Good morning, everyone. I'm going to show you today how to make a Google document. The first thing you're going to do is open up your Google account. You can go to google.com and you will see the home page for your Google account. The next thing you're going to do is look over in the right-hand corner at the top. There you're going to see your face in the circle if you put a picture there. And you will also see the little gray dots in the square. And this is where you find your Google Apps. When I click on the little square, I can see choices for many different Google Apps. What I want now is the Google Drive. I find the Google Drive. It looks like a triangle here, and it says Drive, and I click on that to open it up. You have to wait for it to load, and then you will see the home page for your Google Drive. Let me move my video out of the way. Okay, so once this finishes loading, you will see where to make a Google document. Go over to the little plus sign that says New. Click on the New button, and you will see choices here. Go down to Google Doc and click on Google Doc. Okay, when you click on Google Doc, it will open up a new document for you. Wait for it to finish loading. Okay, it's almost done. There, now it's ready. Okay, now here is your Google document. You can begin typing whatever you want to say. So for our first project, you're going to write your bio, your story. So you could start with your name. If I'm writing mine, I would write my name at the top. And then you could say my bio or my story. You could give it the name you want. Okay, and then you can just start typing your story. I'm originally from New York. That's the start of my story. And you keep typing your story. Remember, you're going to write a little bit about the past, a little bit about the present, and a little bit about the future. Okay, you write your story, whatever you want to say, and let's pretend that I finished my story. The next thing you want to do is give it a title. So look up here at the top where it says Untitled Document. That's because I didn't give it a title yet. It has no name for my document. So if I click on this up here, it will automatically give us a title to my document. They always choose the first words that you wrote automatically. If you like that, you can keep it, or you can change it. If you click on the box, you can change it to whatever you want the title to be. Whatever you want for your title, you can choose it. Okay, now you want to send it to me. You want to send it to my email address. So there's two ways you can do that, actually. I'm going to show you two ways to do that, and they both work. So the first thing you can do is go here to the File button here. Do you see the word File right under the title of your document? If you click on that, it will open up all of these choices. One thing you can do is choose Email as Attachment. If you click on this, it will give you the choice to send it to me as an email. So right here where it says to, you're going to put my email address. Okay. And when you put my email address in, it will send me a copy of your document. Okay, now we're going to go down to the bottom here where it says send. And when you click send, it will send me your document and I will get it as an email. Okay, I click send, and right now I just sent that to myself. Okay, so if that seems easy to you, you can go ahead and use that way to send it to me. The other way to send it to me is to use the share button. If you click on the share button, it will also give you the way to send it to me as an email. So again, you could put my email address up here. All right, and now you have the choice to make me either an editor, commenter, or viewer. So if you choose editor, that means that I can change your document. I can type on it and change things. If you make me the commenter, that means I can make comments on what you wrote and send it back to you. And if you choose viewer, that means I can read what you wrote, but I can't make any comments and I can't change it. So you can do what you want with this assignment. If you choose viewer, then I can read what you wrote. That's fine. If you want to choose commenter, I can make comments, and editor means I can change whatever you wrote. Okay, so you can choose which one you want. And then you're going to click send. Click send, and it says you are sending an invitation to an email address that is not a Google email address, but that's okay. So then click share anyway. Okay, and they will send it to me as an email. All right, so this is how you create a Google Doc. There's a lot more things you can do with Google Docs, but this is a basic introduction to how to make a Google Doc. Okay, if you have any questions, please message me and I can help you more to learn how to do this. All right, thank you, everybody.